Hello, welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. I'm Lorraine and it is Paper Pumpkin Week with the Meaningful Flowers set from August 2023. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. We have our detailed instructions for the two different cards we can make. And it gives us everything we need, and then it tells us how to go ahead and build them. There's a little blurb in here for other tools that we can use, and then on the back is the contents of the kit, some alternate ideas, and the coordinating colors, which are Bubble Bath, Crushed Curry, Garden Green, Melon Mambo, Misty Moonlight, Orchid Oasis, Pretty Peacock, and Tahitian Tide. So a pretty colorful set. We've got our stamp set. I'll just grab a piece of cardstock so that we can actually see it. Okay, so you are capable of amazing things. Your friendship is unforgettable. You rise above the rest. And then there's a lily pad or leaf in the pond and a set of forget-me-not flowers. So what else do we have? We have tear and tape. And we have some linen thread, and we have our other stamp set. This kit came with a bonus stamp set. So we've got our flowers and stems there. We've got some dimensionals, and we've got some clear enamel dots. Pretty Peacock stamp block. And here's our first set of 4 cards. And the envelopes that go with them. Isn't that pretty? And look at the inside, all the way inside. I don't know if you can see. It's got the pattern all the way inside. And then we have the second set of cards. Again, the pattern all the way inside the envelopes. And the card bases for this one. The inside of the card, the back of the card with the description of what the forget-me-not flower means. So we've got those. We've got some greeting die cuts. We've got the floral die cuts. We've got some vellum overlays. And we've got some more die cuts. So that is the contents of the Meaningful Flowers August 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. I'm really excited about this set. I think each kit gets a little bit more innovative each time. It's not just cut and paste, it's always a level of interest. So stay tuned for the projects.